Alright, thank you once again long joining me long this narrative video. Yes, so before we get into the content of the video, first and true, um, sorry about the quality of my camera, and secondly, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I basically create contents on Papua New Guinea online tips and upload them here. So sa kung new pa long this channel below me, I mean, welcome to mas. Yes, so as you can see here on the screen on today's video, we are going to look at this topic here. What is the highest paying niche for YouTube in Papua New Guinea? Yeah. So, yun ba interesting topic straight. Yeah. So, before me play go inside long video, I think firstly, the content of this video that me presenting now, yeah, is basically based on the real-time data when me generating out on monetized YouTube channel belum mi. Yeah, na mi sabi I think sampla lol pa for ni YouTube. But still I think you would have a different data, yeah, basing on your analytics. Yeah. So in order for us to find out what is the highest paying YouTube niche long pa for ni, I think first of all we need to know what is the YouTube niche. Yeah, so as you can see here, a YouTube niche refers to a specific category or subject matter that becomes the focus of your channel. It defends or it defines the type of content you produce consistently and helps you target a specific audience. Yes, so a YouTube niche, I think it's basically kind of some mm, a specific content where you sa base long one time YouTube channel you supposed to YouTube channel you usually create more videos about politics. Then that is the politics is a niche. Yeah. Suppose you usually create more video long based long on tutorials, financial tutorials or music video. Yeah. So that is your and YouTube niche. Yeah. So lo this la video bang i-try long find out the soul by me working experiment together. By me look some channel analytics na by me finding YouTube channel analytics yet and by showing me one content type. I mean the topic I mean got most highest paying revenue. Yeah. So the type of the YouTube niche whereby you may looking this slow video and one plan by music video, narapla by video documentary, na narapla by news video, politics or political speech video, and video tutorials or financial video tutorials. Yeah, so these are the I mean basic niche where I think a lot of the Papua New Guinean YouTube channels are basing on. Yeah, so me trying to experimenting along YouTube on the YouTube channel me find out, yeah, generating my own analytics bro. Yeah, so why me look lo one analytics bro this lo list na find him out one CPM blong. Yeah, so suppose you look long this la on pla screenshot long screen, yeah. This screenshot is about the music video. Yes, so this like music video yeah, me been uploading and been generating estimated revenue of 1991 to yeah. Na total number of views when me kisim outload this la video and this la 9,672 views yeah. So out long this la views estimated revenue is yeah 1991 to yeah, when me working. Yeah, so suppose you me like finding music video CPM basing on that. First of all, suppose you me like finding music video CPM, you mean like finding cost per view. Yes, so lo this la video if I can divide in this la estimated revenue below video yeah estimated revenue divided by this number of total views. Yeah. So suppose you may divide him now and by me come out with this 0.001 toya to the nearest three decimal places here. So one view ulo this video where me bla looking at me costing this 0.01 toya. Yeah. So suppose you may like finding out CPM blo this music video and by you may divide in this 0.001 toya times 1000 and by looking at some CPM blo this video around it's 1 kina. So CPM and minimum uh, and refers long cost per mile. So cost per mile emotion and refer long how much um, YouTube by paying you long every 1000 views. Yeah. So as you can see, a music video I'm basing on the real life data and maybe finding out soon. For every 1000 view long music video by using around 1 kina. Yeah. Low every 1000 view. Suppose you kissing or uploading of the music video na you kissing 10,000 views. So 10, 1 times 10 and by you kissing 10K na. Yeah, kind of same. Yeah, so let's move on na yung may look lo narap lang uh, nis gen. Yeah, so this la screenshot blow one pla video documentary. Yeah, so suppose you look yeah, this la video documentary where may been creative and then this video I mean generating 205,265 views. And then out of these views, an estimated revenue, you walk in and 410 kina, 67. So yeah. So suppose you may like finding cost per view and by you mean need long. Dividing this estimated revenue by total views and the estimated cost per view to the nearest three decimal places and by around 0.02 to yeah. Yeah. So suppose you may like finding CPM or cost per mile view video documentary basing on the uh, real life data YouTube yet and providing video documentary CPM and maybe can walk him out and it's like tukina. Yes, so every 1000 views, long every 1000 views lo one video documentary you creating lo Papua New Guinea na you uploading lo YouTube channel you and by walking tukina. Yeah. So suppose you walking on 2000 views and by pokina and by gossip. Yeah. So you may move on na look lo narap um nice girl. Yes. So this I mean lost screen where you can look him now. I'm screenshot the one news video content where me been creating uploading on the channel me long experimenting. Yeah. So I'm talking this video is good and 3028 views since it was published. Yeah. So the estimated revenue me walking out of this 3028 views is this one here 300 not 300 but 323 to yeah. So suppose similar finding cost per view when me since this estimated revenue na dividing on the total number of views na and by me come up on the 0.01 to yeah to the three decimal places. Yes, so that one view and me is equals to 0.001 to yeah. And so suppose me like finding cost per mile CPM and by me multiplying this 1 time 1000 and then by looking the CPM for this news video CPM news video content is 1 kina. Yes. So basically suppose you create naman news video na you uploading lo every 1000 views then you collect him or time video you I mean napi mo 1000 views and by you kiss him around this 1 kina. Yeah. So you may move on na look like this like political video political speech some kind of some video content about the politics. So this video and about the politics among member of parliament and me talk na me edit na about ako team concept. So this video and me generate them 68,947 views and the estimated revenue me working on 246 kina 25 to a year. So once again, suppose you will like finding cost per view complexing estimated revenue na dividing one time total views. So basing on the mathematics in here, by looking at some cost per view, of this lab political video about the politics and 0.004 Toya to the nearest three decimal places here. So suppose you like once again finding CPM now, or cost per mile, and by me multiplying 0.004 Toya times 1,000, and then by looking by me come up with this lab figure pokina. Yes, so CPM blow political video or political speech video and is around this pokina. Yeah. Okay, so now we move on looking this lab. Merabla screenshot can. So this screenshot is about the financial video tutorial we've been creating and uploading. Yeah, so suppose you looking look here. This la video here me kisim 595 views that's all. And the estimated revenue is pokina 87 to ya. Me no even reaching 1,000 to na estimated revenue yeah me go on top start. Yeah. So suppose you like finding cost per view once again by me kisim this la estimated revenue na dividing mountain 595 views by looking mo to the nearest three decimal places. One value by equals to 0.08 to ya. Yes, so suppose you like finding out CPM cost per mile below. That needs and by me multiply this la 1,000 and then yes you can look in here. CPM below this la financial video tutorial me creating them 8 kina. Wow. Okay, big plus thread. Yeah, so summary of niche versus CPM for content in PNC. Yes, so suppose you me look all this la all the tags. I mean the screenshots if I look in this is the summary now niche na CPM. So music video CPM blem mi plapay ni mo sa 1 kina. Video documentary mi plapay ni mo sa 2 kina CPM blem. Na news video mi plapay ni mo sa 1 kina 2. Okay, politics, the video about politics or political speech and mi plapay ni mo sa CPM blem is and pokina. Na last time video about the financial video tutorial. Yeah, so this line mi plapay ni mo sa CPM blem 8 kina. Wow, so that's a lot. Yeah, so basing on the data we collecting now, we can finally work it out. Putting this la table na working out one type of the niche and by you kisim big na revenue on YouTube. Yeah. So as you can see here, financial video tutorial and it kina followed by the politics video about politics with the CPM of 2 kina and then the video documentary with the CPM of 2 kina, the news video and the music video and CPM blown by 1 kind of 1 kina. Yes, so one time this information now and me plus the highest paying niche long Papua New Guinea YouTube and financial video tutorials. Yes, that's it. Yeah, so suppose you like working big la money lo YouTube content play, you try and focus on that area. Yeah. So once again, sample time by you looking mo sample CPM maybe suppose you go along on channel analytics play, CPM may differ, I think, due to maybe where your audiences are watching from. One, yeah, suppose you creating one channel na 50% of the viewers solely come lo one country like Australia or USA where CPM blow iantab and revenue blow YouTube by you kisim lo every 1,000 view and by ko antap. Yeah, na sometimes suppose video blow you long like 2 months to and YouTube only can play mid row mid at na yeah you can any more on that. Yeah, so once again suppose you experiment in some narapla contents or niche where you're trying lo own YouTube channel beliau na which me no experiment tim lo hiya. You come comment tim kam lo this down na you miss killing. Yeah, so on tim this na thank you. One love.